Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Kevin and Cella's Philippine Life. Today we will give you an update about what's going on our outside, the backyard and the
Yard.
front. Yeah. Okay, wait.
Okay, let's do a reverse on the camera. Okay, get a real quick view from out here.
Yeah, you can see to them. You can show to them our front view also there with the.
This is the side, guys. They actually we purchased some trees to finish up the backyard, so they're planting them today.
Say to them that our front is.
Yeah, we'll do it from
Okay.
do it from in here. So, yeah, grass is growing pretty good here. A lot of it's starting to touch and fill in. Got to wash the walls, definitely. Once it fills in over there, we'll get that taken care of. This is growing, but I think they have the spacing a little bigger over here, so these haven't quite touched yet. We had some extra sod from the second delivery when we did the backyard, so I had them pull all the small pieces out of here, put big pieces in, but they're a little brown, so we'll see what happens here. I got a calamansi tree here and just a flowering plant,
Santan.
whatever she just
We
said.
called it santan flower here.
There you go. So, yeah, this is all, it's definitely growing over here. So this is looking pretty good. Next year we will bring in some trees for the front yard here. This won't be all grass. Possibly one there, one on the other side of the driveway over there, and then one in the corner-ish somewhere over there. So anyway. So that's that, and then so this is our view across the
Front.
street over there. So that's that. That's pretty much the front.
We will walk going there, baby.
You want to go on the side?
Yeah,
Okay.
with this kiddo.
Okay, we'll follow the kids.
The kiddo is
I
climbing.
think that's a bad idea.
Shh. Maybe you will be pulled down.
Don't.
Don't. Yeah.
You got it. You got
Got
it.
it. No, see? Hindi ka na nakababa. I told you. I said, I cannot go down.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. Lain means no. It is here in Sorsogon language.
So all the catch basins seem to be working well. We've had some pretty heavy rains. But the catch basins seem to be working well. Grass seems to be very happy. Lots of animal life everywhere.
We were planting also here some flowering, right?
No, I'm
Yeah.
not sure yet. I still need to get that out of here. Break it down and get it in the trash. So, this is our completed backyard. We did have, like I said, we had some pretty torrential downfalls, so they're as a favor to us back here filling in. Wherever there's not the sod, the rain kind of carried the soil away. So, but all this seems to be pretty happy.
There's a lot of
Kids are
kiddos
having
down
fun
there.
next door. Sounds like.
There's a lot of kiddos there.
So here's one of our trees, and this is what?
Pomegranate.
This is a pomegranate. Good job.
Just.
That's the lime.
Yeah, this is the lime.
It's lime. This is our lemon tree.
This is lemon.
And here's a dwarf coconut.
We have
So they
already
just brought this one and just
coconut.
planted it.
Yeah, we just planted
So
today.
that's our dwarf coconut. What was this one again?
This is kiat kiat, small tangerine.
Tangerine, yes. So tangerine tree. I have the small oranges, miniature
It is-
oranges.
It is stop, what do you call this? Making flowers.
This is avocado,
Dwarf avocado.
and this is
Guava apple.
guava apple. So it's kind of like an apple,
Guava.
not as quite as sweet, but if you haven't had guava, you should try it. And it's very high in vitamin C, so I've been eating those
Every day.
every day, at least a quarter to a
Yeah.
third every day. Another dwarf coconut over here. And then a calamansi either side of the stairs.
Yeah, that calamansi have a lot of fruits na, ha? Small one. See it? This one. Have already. Too much.
Yeah, looks like they're starting to come in, eh?
Yeah, and show to them. I think the last video, this one is still not, right?
Yeah, so we had this border built for this bed that has all
Maybe how you fold
the pineapples done, and then that's just a bunch of watermelon. We'll see what happens with that.
The
Excuse me?
watermelon is not happy. I don't know if they will survive.
Yeah, doesn't seem real happy, does it? And then right now that's just a bed, nothing in it. But that'll be vegetables for Sella.
Oh my goodness. It fall down.
So yeah, that's the update on the yard. Everything's pretty much done.
Here, babe, come here.
There's the back of the house. I'm not sure if last video you guys were able to see that side of the house over there. So I'll take you over there. So yeah, here's this side all done now. So it's all finished up. Catch basin there. And there's the view out the back. Our neighbors. The very mature coconut trees. And this side has a lot of banana trees, as you can see right there. And just a little bit further, you can see a bunch of them there too. So that's about it. All I can think of. How about you?
Nothing, baby.
Yes. Nothing?
Yeah, I think this is only our update.
Well,
Okay, guys.
since that's all we got,
Thank you again.
yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Just a real quick update on the
Yeah.
lawn, and once things fill in, we'll update you then with another quick video of that.
Okay. Thank you again, guys. We love
Alright.
you always.
Thanks
God bless.
everybody. God bless.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We're out.
We out. Bye.